Hi, I'm James, and this is my HVAC and water heating system. This is a multi-speed system. It makes it very energy efficient. It will work as hard as necessary, depending on the weather. This is a slimline model. It's perfect for my walkway. The Urbis team installed these rubber pads. They'll prevent any vibrations when the unit is turned on. The team made sure that all the lines were replaced. They did a really nice job putting it inside of my pavers with some rocks around it. It's also a really quiet unit. You know, the last couple weeks have been really hot and it's been running a lot, and it's quiet. You can't hear it from the inside. My daughter's bedroom is right there. Don't hear a thing. So it's not only super energy efficient, but it's very quiet as well. This is the indoor air handler. It looks like a traditional furnace, but it's also electric. This is the MURAQ 11 air filter. Real easy to replace. Takes care of all the filtering needs. I also have a 65-gallon Rheem water heater. It's also electric, 4 times more efficient than gas water heaters. This is the expansion tank. This makes the unit much more safer. It will absorb all the extra pressure that is emitted from the water heater. This is the mixing valve. This allows the ratio of hot water to cold water to be adjusted. I actually had to increase it. My daughter was complaining it was too cold, and so I gave it a little twist, and now she has plenty of hot water. This is the smart controller. It's digital, easy to read and accessible. Has all the different modes, allows me to adjust the temperature as needed. This is the ecobee thermostat. Very simple, easy for me to use. Everything's digital and touchscreen operated. Eventually, someday I might go with a more, fancy model, but for right now, this suits all of our needs. By switching from gas to electric, I received over $11,000 in rebates and tax credits from Silicon Valley Clean Energy, from California Smart Homes, as well as some others. I also had my PG&E gas lines removed and received additional rebates for doing that. The rebates was one of the biggest selling points for me to go ahead and do this. The fact that we could get that much in rebates was a big determining factor to go with Urbis. And one nice thing about Urbis is that they actually have one employee designated to just help you deal with those rebates. We didn't have to fill out all the forms and keep track of it. He did all of that, and we just provided the information. And thank you to Bruno. Bruno, my wife was so happy because you handled all the paperwork and all the necessary requirements for the rebates. We just had to worry about when the checks were coming. We were also really happy with how professional and clean the teams were. From the installation to the cleanup process, everything was handled professionally, well done. The Urbis team also helped me find additional rebates to have my electrical panel upgraded so that in the future, if I decide to go solar or battery wall, I'm all set, I'm ready, and I'm all electric, no gas in this household.